Yo, what's up? We are here live in Egypt on this episode of Do'a. I'm here with a very special guest.
Hello everyone, it's nice to be there with you all. And thank you for giving me the...
What opportunity? An opportunity to eat some food? So I gave him an opportunity to eat food.
معلش بس بحاول يعني عشان اصل انا عايز اقول لكم حاجه. This is the first new episode to be launched here in Egypt. My cousin is a worldwide man. He has plenty of episodes in the States and all over the world.
So this is one of the first in Egypt, and it's, you're watching Do'a.
Yeah, so today we'll have a very lovely meal. I think it's very popular here in Egypt. If you're not from Egypt, you have to try it. Either here or in the States. I think you have.
Yeah, I don't think many people from the States have tried this. I think ده حاجة يعني مصرية. For you guys from America, that means that this is some Egyptian style cuisine.
It's a piece of art. We should first try it.
What is it? What are we eating?
We are eating something you can call it Hawawshi. It's a bread full of meat and some onions. It tastes like, wow. The place is called Refaay, and its price is reasonable for most of the Egyptian people. It's like £50, and it could be a little bit expensive for the other competitors, but it's a very high quality and a bigger size.
So how much is like a regular Hawashi? Like from the because they make these in also like on the street and street like. What do they call them? Street ovens?
Yeah, street ovens. Like if you are in the States, you know the
food trucks.
Yeah, the
hot dog stands, food trucks, things like that. They make these.
Yeah, it ranges from like 15 to 20 pounds. But of course, you don't know where the meat comes from. Maybe from cats or dogs. So you have to watch out.
At your own risk.
Yeah.
At your own risk.
Take the risk and get from other places. But this one, the meat is guaranteed.
Guaranteed A1.
A1
quality. Okay. Well,
quality, and I think one will be enough if you are a normal person. If you're not, you can eat more.
Okay.
But one is very good enough. It can make you very full. And this place is called Refaay. It has delivery also, so you have to go. If you try to get by yourself, it will be packed because it is very popular.
Oh,
so
okay.
The best thing to
so this is a very popular spot out here.
Take a delivery.
Okay. Well, since we're eating Hawashi today,
you have to wear the new hat for the Hawashi.
I'm gonna wear my Hawashi hat.
Here we have a new taste of Hawashi. As you all know, we are in Egypt, so you can people passing by.
So since we're eating Hawashi, I'm gonna put on my Hawashi hat. This is my Hawashi hat. Let's go.
It's very tasty, and we can't wait any.
You can't wait any longer.
Yeah.
So how do you eat a Hawashi? How do we eat this?
It's in two halves, so you have just to break it out and just don't hold yourself and have your break. Alright.
Two halves.
Yummy.
Well, mine is like is not exactly in half.
2/3 and
this is third and a half or whatever it is. It's alright.
I'm sorry, it depends on your luck. It might be half the exact two halves, or you have 2/3, 1/3, and don't focus on that thing.
So this is the traditional way: break it in half and then eat it.
Yeah. But if you got from the crowd in the street, it will be much smaller. You can eat the whole bread at once. This one is bigger. That's why you have it in halves.
Oh, so they make it. So it's not one size all the time.
I think you all should taste it. It tastes very delicious.
Check this out.
It's an Egyptian bread. I know how juicy and goosey it is. Can you see? With the meat inside and the whole juicy thing. It's like
this bread is
a juicy burger.
Yeah, this bread is really crispy and crunchy.
Yeah. This one kicks burger ass.
Yeah, this is like a. I don't know what you would call this. In the comments, you guys can tell us what you would call this. انتم ممكن تقول لنا بقى في الكومنتس يعني ده زي ايه بقى؟ يعني ده انا عارف ده حواوشي بس هي حاجة تانية كمان. This is a Hawashi, but it reminds me of like a what do you call it? A panini. It's kind of like a panini almost, but it's not really a panini. But it's a burger, but it's a patty. So this is like a Egyptian style beef patty. It's Egyptian style beef patty burger type of thing.
ما ينفعش تشيز chip shop.
Well, we'll be taking you to one of the places out here in Egypt also that makes hawashis with cheese. This one is plain. It's not plain, but no cheese.
You can add if you want.
You can add cheese.
But the original is the best.
The original way is no cheese.
But you can add whatever cheese
Toppings.
you like. But I bought the original because the original is the best one.
You can't go wrong with the original. That's you got to start with that.
Yeah. Try the original first, and then when you enjoy it, you can add other toppings or other flavors.
Out of 10, how much would you give this?
I think this is 100.
100 out of 10? I give this, well, Hawashi, I give it a 10 out of 10. Or 11 out of 10. From this store right here, this spot, so far, I give it an 8 until I try something else. This is an 8 out of 10 for me.
What?
Until I try something else. I haven't tried another. Where's the other ones?
Okay. No.
Well, we'll do another episode where we have multiple Hawashis from different places and we try them out and we'll tell you which one is the best. Am I saying that right?
Yeah.
Hawashi?
Hawashi, yeah. Hawashi, perfect pronunciation. I'm sorry I'll be out because I'm eating, guys. I can't stay anymore.
Okay. So, thank you for joining. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for hosting me in this new episode. As I'm saying, this is not the first, this is not the last. This will be only the beginning for a multiple episode here in Egypt with Tamer, Chip Shop, Du'a.
Brooklyn Tea, Tamer, Brooklyn Tea, Brooklyn Tamer, Brooklyn Tea, whatever you know me as. Join us next time. Here on
and we have different kitchens.
Yeah.
We're not only gonna get delivery. Next time we give you Matbakh Titi.
Yeah, you're gonna see something from Matbakh Mona, aka Matbakh Titi, aka Titi's Matbakh, and you'll see her soon. This is behind the scenes. This is the outtakes of Du'a. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Now you're into the behind the scenes. That's behind the scenes, يعني يعني ورا التصوير بس I don't know how to say it in Arabic. But this is behind the scenes.
ورا التصوير.
ورا التصوير. Well, we say behind the scenes. I still got my Hawashi hat on. No, I still have my Hawashi hat on. You like my Hawashi hat?
Yeah.
You like my Hawashi?
Yeah.
انتي دقتي؟
لسه.
طب ما دوقي
صلي العشاء بقى عشان الدنت.
مش هتخشي الفيديو؟
ما انا بقى عندي فيديو دلوقتي.
عايزين نبان شوية بس مش
كله قوي يعني مش مهم يعني صوتك بقى. دوق. انتوا ايه اكلتوا ولا كل واحد كل ولا لسه؟
الحمد لله.
كله دوق.
Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. Until next time, thank you for joining us on Du'a. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Shukran jazilan. Thank you for watching. What else do we say in Arabic?
مع السلامة.
مع السلامة. Peace, love, enjoy.
Bye bye.